Are you outwardly successful, but deep down inside, you're feeling like you're not quite good enough? This one thought is killing your confidence after 40. Thinking, I'm not good enough. I'm not smart enough. I'm not worthy to sit at the table. I'm not a part of that group. When you minimize and shrink yourself, it chips away your confidence. So instead of thinking that you're not good enough, start saying, I am wise, I am experienced, and I am powerful, and I have a lot to contribute. That's meaningful. When you flip that thing and turn it around, it is empowering. And you begin to expand and grow, and opportunities begin to unfold and open for you. So stop shrinking yourself, stop second guessing yourself, and stop thinking that you're not good enough. You are just right where you are.